Okay, this is part two of resurrecting this abandoned radio I got from a friend of mine, and I ain't giving up on this radio. And I come to find out, I wasn't getting power at the first time I first powered this up, and my hunch was right. See this guy right here? See that? This is how it's made. I don't know why they made it like this. How loose that is. Well, I reflowed. I gotta get a tiny screwdriver. Right around here, yeah, right around here, if I can get where I'm at here. Right here, from here down is that ribbon. And you could see it was starting to lift. You know, like right around these areas. Now, that looks like that ain't from me, that right there. This is the four right here I had to resolder. These four pins. And, yeah, so that's one thing I fixed. Was this ribbon cable area, which I gotta be very careful with. Now I could safely, I think it was like already like that already. I don't want to bend this thing more than I have to. Yeah, then I took this out, and I did a voltage test, and I put an adapter on it. And this, I don't know what this is. It's just maybe just from old age, the clad, not the clad, but the clear crap that they put on circuit boards. I think that's what that is. I could just probably clean it with alcohol or just leave it alone. Everything else, I might just flow this just in case. And this, I'm just looking for possible causes in the future. So, yeah, I definitely. Oh, jeez, I gotta take this. Stand by.